So I'm playing with the LED lighting with my Live Edge headboard. We decided to not fill in these gaps because I thought it might be cool to see if like the glow from the LED lights could like read into the gaps here and then kind of create a really beautiful romantic ambiance. So we'll see. All right, I have lit up the entire back of this Live Edge. It's really cool. So I've got two lighting strips, and then when I was done with my run, you can cut it on the line. You can also bend it at certain points so that if you have an irregular shape like I do, this all still works. And here, I'll show you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to Velcro this to the wall next to the bed, and then people can turn it on. Hold on. Here it goes. It gets so bright. So I'm pumped to see what it looks like. So we felt the headboard wasn't far enough away from the wall to make the light really bounce around. So Nick had the genius idea of putting electrical spacers behind the hardware to lift the headboard away from the wall. Let's see if it works.
Okay guys, so we haven't seen the lights yet. Sarah is literally doing it right now, as you can see. It is. We need to see it.
I also moved the cord they were sticking out from here. I moved them from here, and now this is sticking out from the wall more. They can hide behind here and help make the headboard flush and level, or plumb, I should say. So yeah, so I think the light bounces around a lot more. Look how pretty. I think that's gonna look pretty cool at night when you're reading a book or something. I don't know. What do you guys think?